Have you ever seen these crazy animal rescue videos and you think that you cannot make them yourselves? These channels are pulling in thousands of dollars just by posting them. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create your own viral version completely for free using only free AI tools. I will also show you how to edit them properly so they don't get flagged as mass-produced content. So once you have screenshotted the video, head over to ChatGPT, and then when you are in ChatGPT, at this very place right here, tap on it so that you can be able to upload in the photos of the screenshots. So I'm going to tap on photos and it's going to direct me to my gallery. And see, I've uploaded in the images, and then at the bottom I wrote some few things. I'm going to paste this in the description. What I just gave it right here is for it to give me 10 to 15 captivating ideas I can also generate. You get me? So this is just what I wrote right here. I'm going to paste it in the description. Once I have uploaded in the image and I've written the text, I'm going to tap on send. So guys, after I've given it my reference image and I've sent this command to it, this is the result which I got from ChatGPT. ChatGPT gave me 15 viral surreal splitting ideas or video ideas. So you can see it, they're up to 15. I'll go ahead and copy the one I want. I'll go ahead and copy the text prompt of the one I want to generate. So after I've copied the one I want to generate, I want to first of all generate this elephant trunk log. So I have to first of all copy it, and then I'll head over to my text to image generating tool so that I'll be able to generate the images and also tweak the idea so that it will give you something more creative. You can see it twisted and gave me another surreal variations that I can use. The text to image tool we are going to be using is ideogram. So make sure you sign up using your Gmail account. So sign in using your Gmail account, and once you are on this interface, you are going to tap on this plus icon. Tap on the plus icon. You can see where it writes generate. With ideogram, you can generate up to 6 images because you are given 12 free credits. At this very place that says style, I have to tap on it and put it in realistic. See that this has been set at realistic. For the model, I'm just going to leave it like that. Then the aspect ratio, I'm using 9:16. This has been set. I have to then paste in my text prompt which I generated from ChatGPT. So this is my text prompt which I generated from ChatGPT. So I'll then go ahead and tap on generate. You can see the image which I generated. Let me tap on it and you're going to see it gives you 4 different variations. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the fourth one. This is not among it. I won't use this. So this one too, I won't use it. So I'm just going to use between this first one and the second one. So just check the one that you like or the one that suits you better, and then you go ahead and save it. So tap on save. Once you tap on save, this is going to get downloaded into your device. So guys, once I've generated these images, what I have to do next is to generate action prompts which I will use to animate these images. So guys, as you can see, I've generated the image and the image is still, that is, I have not animated it. And for me to animate it, I need an action prompt. So still on that same conversation which I'm having with ChatGPT, went ahead to tell it to give me action prompt for the image, and then you can see it right here. For this elephant trunk log, you can see that this is the action prompt which it gave to me. So that means I'm going to copy this action prompt. Once I copy the action prompt, I'll go to my image to video generating tool and paste this in. The image to video tool I'll be using is VEO3. Yes guys, you might be saying, why will I use VEO3? I think VEO3 is not free. No. One of the new updates is that once you sign up using a new Gmail account on VEO3, you are going to be given 100 free credits, and that 100 free credits can allow you to generate up to 5 videos. You get me? Because each generation costs 20 credits, so you can use it to generate up to 5 videos just with one Gmail account. So once you sign up, you're going to be given 100 free credits. So it's VEO3 I'll be using, because I'll still get audio for my video clip, so I really love it for that. So when I'm on this interface, I'm going to tap on this drop down arrow right here, and you can see where it writes frames to video. I'll tap on frames to video. Frames to video means image to video. It's still the same thing as image to video. So for this very place right here, make sure it's at VEO3 fast. As you can see, it's already on VEO3 fast. So for the aspect ratio, remember that our original image is in portrait format, so just leave it at portrait format. In case it's in landscape, put landscape, but it's already on portrait. I'm going to leave it like that because that's what our image is. So the output, I'm just using one output. Then after this, I'm going to then upload in the image I want to animate. I'm going to tap on upload. I'm going to tap on agree, then tap on upload again. It's going to direct you to your gallery. Once you upload in the image, you can see where it writes crop and save. Tap on that. Guys, as you can see right here, I've uploaded in the image, so I need to put in my action prompt at this very place that says generate a video with text and frames. So I'm going to tap on it. I've already copied the action prompts from ChatGPT, so I'm going to paste that in. And once I've pasted it, you can see this has started generating. As you can see right here, this is the video, and I really love it. So in case you are not okay with what you generated, you can regenerate it. Just tap on this place and you're going to regenerate the video. So once you're okay with what you generated, tap on download and tap on original size 720. So I'm going to tap on that, and this will get downloaded into my device. Once you are done generating your video, the next thing for you to do is to edit the video in a video editing tool. So once you import it in, you need to first of all crop out the VEO3 watermark that's showing. In your own case, it might be another video generating tool that is showing. So once you have cropped that out, another way you can add value to your video is by you branding your video with your own channel name. So that's why you have to watermark your channel name into your video. Also, you can add background music to the video. You can also add voiceover, AI voiceover to the video, just to add more value to the video. By adding AI voiceover that kinds of narrates the story of what is going on. You can also add text overlays to the video just to narrate the story. So after everything, this is what we got. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing, like this video and share.